Hey everyone, here is this cute collection made by Carta Bella paper. It is Gone Camping. Really, really cute, fun colors, designs that come with this set. I have not opened this yet, but I'm so excited to see it. It comes with 12 by 12 cardstock papers and one 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. Stickers are really, really cute. I think this is one of my favorite ones, the tall tales. There's always somebody that likes to exaggerate the size of the fish they caught. So let's get started. Really cute. I love this textured paper by Carta Bella. I love how it feels. Oh, I love this. This is really cute. Oh, these are perfect. So fun. These colors are perfect for those camping scrapbook pages or even cards. I have a lot of fun paper crafting with these sheets. Oh, little campfire's cute. You should have seen the one that got away. That's cute. World's greatest angler. Enjoying the outdoors, the great outdoors. I can't wait for summer so I can get outdoors again. Some little pine cones. S'mores. Love fishing, just being out in the air, hearing the sounds of the birds, the chirping. This is really cute. Speckled trout campground. Rain or shine, it's fishing time. Oh, that's really cute. You got the skunk, squirrel, blue jay, possum, Yellowstone National Park. These are so cute. A recipe for grandma's camping salad. And some wildflowers on the back. Really, really cute. All the things you'll need for camping in a tent. Oh, really cute lanterns. I love this color. I hope that's showing up. Oh, look how cute. And some red plaid. These papers would be really cute for Father's Day cards. Camp Wishin, Camp Wishin Lodge and Campground. That's cute. Really, really cute. And some fish. Trout. Golden trout. And it's got some measurements on here. 14 to 18 inches. Some of them say 16 inches. That's cute. Fishing rods, tackle box, some more fish. Really, really cute. Oh, these are so cute. Love these old trailers. That is a really pretty color and pattern. Some blue with some, looks like a greenish around the edge. Okay, and my favorite part has to be these stickers. I love these. Couldn't wait to get this open to look at them a little bit closer. So that's all with this collection. Thanks for watching.